Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD. You know, the guy in the video. And right now, I'm driving on one of our road tests of a repaired CPC4 in the ERD test truck. Last year, the only time we would use our truck was to validate repairs after they had been returned to us under warranty. But this year, we are going to road test every module as it's being repaired before it's returned to you for your truck. The primary reason is the majority of our returns that we have received last year are for units that were not correctly flashed. And we want to fully prove to you, our user, that this module is fully working so that when you have an issue with the flash, you can show this video to your service provider and they can re-flash the module at no charge. So as you can see, we're just driving up the road. We have Diesel laptop hooked up and we're just kind of cruising around with this module. Anyway, that's all we have for now. Thank you, and once again, ERD, the place for CPC4 repair.